giờ mình qua khu vực khác đây. Đây quá rộng, một cái farm này bán là 4 triệu đô. 4 triệu. Mà mấy cái này thì làm ra có tiền, mà giống như nãy người ta nói giống như mình là cũng có tiền, mà giống như thì hiện tại thì đủ sống thôi vậy đó. Trái cây rồi nó đâu có sụp lại. Dạ. Xuống đây mình chụp hình nè. Dạ. Dạ. Có ong á, cẩn thận nha. Dạ. Dạ, chụp hình đi mẹ với em đó, thích đi. Tự sướng đi. Đây, mình là đây là hoa mận á. Dạ. Đang chụp xung quanh nè. Dạ.
Hold your camera up. Take a photo of Mama. Get her face in it. Get her face in the photo. No, Mama, go that way a little tiny bit. Go this way, Mama.
Nhìn kia.
Ông chỉ cách chụp hình đẹp luôn nè, thấy không? Hướng dẫn viên quá nhiệt tình luôn.
Mama, just the slightest bit over. There. Look at girlfriend.
Nice, nice. Very good view, yeah.
Hey, professional photographer, see? Yeah. She's a professional photographer.
You should become a photographer too.
Nice. Hey man, good boy.
Yeah.
Good boy. You gotta be quick to pat a bee on their wings. You gotta be really, really quick.
Very quick, yeah.
They are a nice little bee. They're a very good bee. Whoa. All right, when you're ready, come and jump on.
Okay, go. Let's go.
Next up is a photo stop with the Buddha hands.
Yep, Buddha hand, yeah.
Stop with the Buddha hands.
Cái chỗ mà chụp hình cái ông Buddha biết không? Cái ông Phật á, có tay á. Dạ.
Alright, here we go.
Cái này nghĩ chắc khoảng chừng khoảng tháng 2 tháng nữa là chỗ này đẹp lắm ha. Bông rồi. Dạ. Cái này cái tour đi mà có đi tham quan farm rồi, có xe chở về quảng cáo rồi, quá lý tưởng luôn. Cái chỗ này cũng rộng á ha, khoảng hectare không đâu. À, có con chó ở đang dòm nè. Wow, mấy cái đào ở đây đẹp quá. À. Dạ. Nectarine là cái bông màu trắng á. Còn này là bông màu hồng đây. Rồi, get off here. Cái cây nè, cái trái á, nó hình cái bàn tay của ông Phật á. Dạ. Nè.
stop after this is spray and lime.
Bàn tay Phật đấy hả?
Dạ dạ. Cái
tưởng là tới cái tượng Phật đó mà.
nó cái trong đây trái cây mà.
Trời ơi.
Cái cây bàn tay Phật hay?
Dạ dạ. Đây nè mẹ thấy không? Với bên gọi là Phật thủ đó.
À đúng rồi, Phật thủ là bàn
Nè.
tay Phật. Lúc nãy ông nói là cái bàn tay Phật.
Không, đây không phải cái chùa đâu.
Trái Phật thủ.
It looks like a chicken's foot. Or
Yep.
It looks like grandma's fingers.
Cái này tiếng Anh gọi là
Looks like an
butter hand.
octopus. It looks like an octopus.
Cái này nó không cho hái nha. Dạ.
That's what people reckon they are.
Dạ.
Put your fingers down beside and take a photo. It looks like your fingers.
Nè nè.
It looks like grandma's
Chụp nè.
fingers.
Cái hình nè, cái tay nè, thấy không? Nhìn nè, thấy không? Giống không? Giống như cái tay bằng tay mình á. Ừ.
You can see them standing upwards. When they're growing on the tree, they grow upwards to start with. And when they start getting riper, they fall over.
Ok, dạ. Lúc đầu nó mở lên xong từ từ nó héo xuống.
Enough photos, you can jump
Yep.
back on board.
Rồi xong chưa? Xong mình đi tiếp.
Lime, very sweet lime.
Dạ. Cái chỗ là lime squid one. All of them talk about like they think about you just take us to the Buddha hands, you know, the real tattoo, not that one.
Let's go to the local They're very expensive fruit. That's
Ah, yeah.
with our hands. They're very
Yeah.
expensive.
Only had one tree. Only had one Buddha hand over there. Just yeah.
But they're opened up to one side.
Làm ai cũng mừng hụt. Này là hướng dẫn viên bá đạo ở trong Nam nè. Dẫn nha. Đó phải nói là vẫn còn độc thân. Mà hỏi chị quan trọng có chịu làm farm không?
Beside us here is a native cherry. You can see little tiny white green balls on the branches.
Yeah.
That's what you call a native cherry.
Native cherry,
Native cherry
yeah.
is a very small cherry. You can
Yeah,
see them on the tree
native
beside the
cherry
branch
nè.
there. They're
Đó.
not ready yet. This is a little while
Oh,
ago
okay.
before they're ready.
Yeah, yeah, I
They're
can
like a
see
little
it.
light green ball on the tree that's growing on the tree. There's one
Yep.
just diagonal from here, about eye height.
Ờ,
Little tiny one, like the green one just there. That's what the cherry looks like.
yeah.
Little light ball, little light
Nó
ball.
chưa đâu, nó còn ra
No,
nữa.
it's only a little tiny one. It's only grown to about half a centimetre big. They only grow for about 2 mil. One down the bottom down there with a red leaf, and the one beside it with the red leaf is the next up top. The nectarine cross with the blood fluff. It's a very sweet fruit as well.
So why do you need the neck to rotate them?
These ones here are pineapple guava.
Ah, pineapple.
Guava is called the feijoa.
Yeah.
That's what the ones under this netting here. The birds usually love this one.
Ah, okay.
So that's why we
Just
have it
rotate
netted
from the
over
bus. Yeah.
here. We rather just let it grow a little bit more before we pull the net back over again.
Cái này á, lưới này bảo vệ đừng có cho chim nó vô nó phá đó. Dạ. Trồng mấy cái này cũng cực lắm chứ không có sướng, mà hỏi cho hai quan trọng chị thích làm farm không? cái đó là cái điều quan trọng á.
Làm giữa chân.
Got a nice sweet lime just
Yep.
down the bottom down here. We'll go down and show you.
Okay.
Give her a taste of a very sweet
Yep.
lime. If anyone want to pick them for home, they're $5 per kilo
Yep.
as well. So you can mix the fruit up.
You're very good seller.
Oh, look after you. You're a good guy. That's what I like. Don't have to cut out just here. Try these ones here. That's why a lot of people like having me around, because I'm a good person.
Yeah.
That's
So
what people like. This one.
that's one get ready. Okay. Try that one.
This is Australian lime. Australian lime is a sweet
Giống như
lime.
trái
The Tahitian lime, which is a
trái
dark
chanh
green
mà
lime, which is a
loại
sour
ngọt á.
lime.
So
you
this
understand?
one is sweet one, right?
This is a sweet lime.
Yeah.
You three,
Cái
mama.
nào cũng ngọt hết trơn á.
Had anything like really like between sweet and sour all together, mix up? No.
No,
No, not really,
Very hard
yeah.
to grow unless you can design it. If you can do some grafting and design it,
Yeah.
sure, let us know. We'll buy it off. Okay. This is a sweet lime. This lime here, if you want to pick some for yourself, you're welcome to pick this for yourself. Don't eat the skin. Mother, don't eat the skin. Just eat the inside of it.
Đừng có ăn vỏ.
Just eat the inside of it. Don't eat the skin.
He said this one a little bit sour.
It is sour.
Yeah.
This is the Australian lime, which is different than the Tahitian lime. The Tahitian lime is a sour lime.
So this one's
one's a
good
Sweet, this
Cái
is
này
a
hơi
sweet
chua.
lime.
with a little bit sugar and ice. Make like
And alcohol.
very good for the summer time.
Alcohol
Yeah.
to bring up the sweetness of it.
Yeah.
So if you want to pick some of these, you're welcome to pick a couple. If you want some for home, you're welcome to pick some.
Có muốn không? Muốn
This is
hái
good
không?
for your throat. This is good for your throat and good
Có
for your water.
tốt cho cổ họng á. Nè.
If you're going to pick them, just make sure
Yeah.
they look like a mandarin when you pick them,
Yeah.
because they're more better. There's one for him.
You should have one this gentleman like this one for the seller for your business in the future, you know. It's like it could make a lot of money for you.
They've both got to get their own business first,
Yeah.
so you can build that up. So then you'll be right.
She
Then you
got a
start
business.
making money.
She got a business like the nail salon, you know.
A nail salon.
Yeah, nail salon.
That's good for you. My fingers are always dirty. My fingers are always dirty all the time. I'll be visiting there every week. It'd be nail stuff if I did that. So if you want to pick some Australian lime, you're welcome to.
Có
grab
thích
some.
hái không?
Pick some.
Còn hái thì mình đi. Ok. Yeah,
Just make
okay.
sure they look like a mandarin when you pick
Yeah.
them.
So we go to the next one. Yeah.
Kiwi fruit next stop.
Yep. Kiwi
You
fruit.
can pick your own kiwi at next
Yeah.
stop.
That's
Jump on a
the
tractor,
best
we'll
one.
drive
Yeah.
down further.
Everyone here like kiwi.
That's a good thing.
Yeah.
You get to eat it as well. Kiwi fruit's very
We
good
try
for you.
kiwi a lot, but we haven't seen the tree.
Well, that's a good thing. Like you come around and visit me.
Yeah.
Because if you don't come around and visit me, you won't go. If you don't go out very much, you stay home and watch
Yeah.
the sea,
You
just
don't know
building
anything.
nothing else.
Yeah. That's why lucky you are here today.
While you're still young, go out.
Okay. It's the
Okay.
best way.
If you want to do something really fun for you guys before Junior's ready, go on the Diamond Creek Miniature Railway. Go on that. Organise go on that. It's good for not just kids. It's good for adults as well.
Yeah.
It's a real small miniature train.
Yeah.
And it's metro downsized, so you get to go on a little miniature train, and it's good for you as well, and good for you because if you like seeing stuff, like going on trains and that, this one is awesome.
Okay.
It's in Eltham. It's
Eltham.
over near Greensboro. It's
Okay.
over near there.
How long does it take from here to there?
Probably out half hour at most.
Okay.
40
Yeah.
minutes. Say 40 minutes. That's with
Yeah.
traffic lights. Yeah. And I'll tell you, it's the best. It's one of the biggest miniature railways in Melbourne.
Oh,
Okay. Look it up. Diamond Creek Miniature Railway.
Diamond Ridge. Yeah.
There's one in Box Hill.
Box Hill.
There's one
Yeah.
in Springvale. They're all over the place.
But which play the best one?
Diamond Creek Miniature
Oh,
Railway.
okay.
You'll love it. You'll
Yeah.
love it yourself. It's metro downsized.
Yeah.
So the track's only that wide. And
Ah.
I'll tell you, they got little steam trains, little diesel trains, and I'll tell you, it is amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, we will try. Yeah. Cái đó mình đi á, nó ở dưới tầng hầm mà giống như cái xe lửa mà dạng loại nhỏ rồi á. Thì ở dưới Eltham hay là cái gì đó thì Springvale cũng có, cũng Box Hill cũng có, ổng nói á. Dạ.